Hello. Today's my first week of 3 weeks over where I'm going to bake one item per week every 3 weeks to see how it increases my happiness. So for the first week, we're baking banana bread and I'm so excited. I love banana bread, but I've never tried making it. So we reached a minuscule issue, and that is I don't have a loaf pan because it asked for a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Most people don't have that. So I'm using muffin tins and we're gonna bake muffins. So it's probably not gonna have to bake for a whole hour. So I'm just gonna have to check it a lot. That's gonna be kind of annoying, but oh well, we'll survive. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Yay! So it's still fun. Okay, so it's time to check these. I have a toothpick to see if they're wet. Clearly I put a lot in some and not a lot in others. So I'm just gonna open this. That's really warm. And then stick that in there. It's not like really wet, but like I want it to be brown. Okay, so these have finished baking, they're completely done, and I've started taking them out, and I found that the bottoms of these tiny ones are like burnt. And they don't like look quite burnt to the eye like this one does, but if you smell it, it smells like burnt toast, so that's not cute. But this one's like the first good one. This one's pretty good. So I'm just gonna continue taking these out, and yeah. So here's my thoughts on how they taste. They're really chunky, so there's like bits of banana in it, but I'm not mad at it, honestly. It's not very bad. It looks like a muffin, and it tastes pretty good. So I'm really happy, actually. I feel like I accomplished something today, and everyone else gets to enjoy it. So I'm really happy about that.